Hey, Side Hustle Geniuses. Welcome back to Side Hustle Genius. I'm Allan, your guide to smart side hustles and automation tips. Today, we're diving into a business that can generate $10,000 a month dropshipping. This online business model has low startup costs and high earning potential, making it a perfect side hustle for aspiring entrepreneurs. Let's get started. First, let's explore the business scope of dropshipping. Business scope. Dropshipping is an e-commerce business model where you sell products online without having to keep them in stock. Instead, when a customer orders a product from your online store, you purchase it from a third-party supplier who then ships it directly to the customer. This means you don't need to invest in inventory upfront, making it a low-risk way to start an online business. The potential to earn $10,000 a month is real, but it requires the right strategies and consistent effort. Business requirements. To start a successful dropshipping business, here's what you'll need. E-commerce platform. Choose a platform like Shopify, WooCommerce, or BigCommerce to set up your online store. Product niche. Research and select a profitable niche that has demand but isn't overly saturated. Supplier relationships. Find reliable suppliers on platforms like AliExpress, Oberlo, or Sale who to source your products. Marketing skills. Knowledge in online marketing, particularly social media and paid ads, to drive traffic to your store. Customer service. Be prepared to handle customer inquiries and returns efficiently. Business options. Here are some options to consider when setting up your dropshipping business. General store. Sell a wide range of products across various niches. Niche store. Focus on a specific niche, like fitness gear or home decor, to target a more defined audience. Single product store. Build a store around one high-demand product, making it the centerpiece of your brand. Business resources. To help you get started, here are some valuable resources. Online courses. Take courses on platforms like Udemy or Skillshare to learn the ins and outs of dropshipping. Shopify Academy. A free resource with tons of tutorials on setting up and marketing your Shopify store. Research tools. Use tools like Google Trends, Facebook Audience Insights, and keywords everywhere to identify trending products and target audiences. Estimated timescale. Here's a general timeline for launching your dropshipping business. Week 1. Choose your niche, research products, and set up your online store. Week 2. Find suppliers, import products into your store, and create compelling product descriptions. Week 3. Launch your store and start marketing through social media, Google Ads, or influencer partnerships. Month 2-3. Focus on optimizing your store, improving customer service, and scaling your marketing efforts.
Estimated cost. Dropshipping has relatively low startup costs. Here's a breakdown. E-commerce platform subscription, $29.79 per month. Marketing ads, $200 $1,000, depending on your budget. Apps and tools, $50 $100 per month. So, you might be looking at an initial investment of about $300 $1,200. Pros and cons. Let's take a look at the pros and cons of running a dropshipping business. Pros: low startup costs and minimal risk. Flexibility to work from anywhere. Wide range of products to sell. Cons: highly competitive market. Lower profit margins compared to traditional retail. Dependence on suppliers for product quality and shipping times. Estimated earnings. Now, let's talk about the money. With the right products and marketing strategies, you can achieve. First 3 months, $1,000 $3,000 per month, as you build your brand and optimize your store. 6 months, $5,000 $10,000 per month, by expanding your product range and scaling your marketing efforts. Long term, $10,000 plus per month, with the potential to grow even further by introducing new niches or products. And that's a wrap on starting your very own dropshipping business. With dedication, the right niche, and effective marketing, this side hustle can become a significant source of income. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Side Hustle Genius for more profitable business ideas. Until next time, keep hustling smart.